After visiting Yale University, we have come to the park. Park name is Twin Brook Park. It's a beautiful park. Children, my grandchildren are playing, and we are walking. So peaceful, calm and quiet. Everything looks so amazing. Full of leaves, greeneries. Full of leaves and greeneries. So me and her husband is walking ahead. My husband is also walking ahead. Oh God. Truly very, like amazing. Yeah, he's offering almond. We are eating and walking together. See what a nice view. The weather is very cool, pleasant, comfortable weather. We are lucky to have such wonderful weather. We are hiking. See what a nice deep jungle. You can see beautiful trees around. He's walking ahead always. Now he doesn't seem tired. The sunlight is, coming. The twilight, we can say, because sun will go down soon. So the rays of sunlight is making our walk more comfortable. Look people. Wow. Beautiful. I have so many foreign friends, so when I will send it, they can see Banan. I will come Banan tonight. Okay, I don't know what will be the time. The sky is clear. We could hear the chirping of birds and the sound of, like the stream. And we can hear only the sound of birds. Birds are chirping everywhere. Oh, Mana. Grandchildren are playing in the park.